Hello, how you doing? Welcome or welcome back. My name is Jimmy. I am a registered nurse and I'm a formulator. I make natural hair care product and I make skincare product as well. In today's video though, we're going to be making an intense moisturizing hand cream together. And the reason why I'm doing this is I'm going to show you actually. So if you look at my hand, you can see how dry and flaky it is, and this is because I use a lot of hand sanitizer at work, especially the floor that I walk in, and I walk 3 days in a row most of the time. Because of that, after the 3 days, like the fourth day when I'm not walking, that's when I start seeing this cracky and flaky palm of mine. It's been 3 days since I went to work and it's getting better. For the past few weeks though, I've been formulating what we're about to make today together. If you're new here and you are not subscribing, please make sure you do so you can follow my journey as I go through this nursing career of mine and being an entrepreneur of making skincare and hair care product as well. If you've been here with me, thank you for coming back and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. So let's go. We're going to clean first. I already sanitized, but since it's been like 20 minutes, I just want to sanitize again and clean. Make sure everything is clean. And then I'm gonna change my gloves. And then we're gonna start. The scale is already clean. We're gonna measure the oil. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is exactly how I want this hand cream. I do not want it to be too thick because I want to be able to feel the aloe vera. I want to feel the water. So because that's the point. If it's too thick, that means less water in there or aloe vera juice. So that this is the reason why the consistency is not too thick. It's just the right thickness that I want. And it's not oily because I don't want to hold on to my cup, or I don't want to type on the keyboard and it's like oily. I do not want that. I just want the healing property of the oil. I want the healing property of the aloe vera juice. I think I'm going to tweak it. I'm thinking about adding other things to it, and I'll let you know whenever we get there. For right now, I love this hand cream and it's very moisturizing, which is what we're looking for. Tense moisturizing. This is a win. This formulation is a win. Thank you very much for watching to this point. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.